So as you guys know, our new plumping deep conditioner was set to go out in June and then was later pushed to the end of July due to shipping concerns. I'm not happy to say, but it's going to be another 2 weeks. You'll definitely have them before the month of August completes.
Hey y'all, it's Sheree. What's up? Back with another video. As you can see from the title, today we'll be talking about the very new Melanin Haircare Plumping Deep Conditioner by our very own Natural 85. Whitney, aka Natural 85, has been a staple in the natural hair community before I went natural, okay? She is an OG. She is a queen. But y'all, this pre-order, the launch of this deep conditioner has been embarrassing and it's been disappointing. You can respect someone, you can love someone's contribution, but you can still hold them accountable. I think there should be room for both. So with that being said, where's my pre-order, Whitney? Where is my pre-ordered deep conditioner? Where is it, Whitney? Before we really get into it, if you're new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face, definitely be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It really goes so far to support my channel. The good news is, for those of you who didn't pre-order, this deep conditioner is available at Ulta and Sephora. The deep conditioner will be linked down below. If you are ever so inclined to purchase it, clicking through my links and purchasing through my links supports my channel so much. It keeps the content like this coming, and I would love you forever. Click a link and save a life, sis, because the journey I have had to bring this video to y'all, just click the link, y'all. Just click the link. If you don't care about the mess of the pre-order and you just want to see my opinion, I will definitely leave timestamps down below. You can click around and go to the point in the video that you want to see. Let's start off with a positive, shall we? So I have reviewed every single product from Melanin Haircare on my channel. I will link them in the cards as well as down below. I have been a long-time supporter of Whitney, long-time supporter of Melanin Haircare. I've jumped on every single launch because I wanted to support Whitney. I wanted to support Natural 85. I've also had some issues in the past with my order, something being sent wrong, and customer service has always in the past been extraordinary. I cannot take that away from the brand. I send an email, I get a response right away, and my things are fixed. I definitely want to extend that grace. I definitely encourage all of us to extend that grace. And I think I've been patient, and my patience has run out. Y'all, I placed my pre-order on April 21st. I got wind of it from Ashkin Curls. Shout out to the girl Ashkin Curls that put us all on. I had to place an order with Ulta to get this video to you, but my order is nowhere to be found. It has been 5 months, over 5 months. This deep conditioner has gone through an entire pregnancy almost. Definitely, certainly gone through the first 2 trimesters. Where are my things? Where are my things, Whitney? People that ordered in July have already received their items. And I have nothing. I have nothing. I can't pretend that I know what it's like to be a product-based business based on the current economy, the current supply chain issues. I can't pretend to know what it feels like to be Whitney in this situation. However, honesty, integrity, transparency, and direct communication is free, okay? Emails are free. Static posts on social media are free. Text messages are free. All of these things are free. I'm just keeping it real, y'all. My issue with this launch has nothing to do with the delays. If I was properly communicated to about the delays, I wouldn't even have this long ass introduction, okay? My issue is with the deplorable communication and customer service. So many questions went ignored, blatantly ignored on their social media. I have so many screenshots of them responding to somebody praising them and then ignoring somebody's question about an order. Blatant ignoring of customers' questions and valid concerns. Piss poor communication. We've gotten 2 emails in the span of 5 months about our order. Melanin Haircare posts on social media multiple times a day. They send out emails incessantly about buying some socks or some other crap from the website, but no update about the order. The last official update I got from Melanin Haircare was August 1st. Everything else has been on their social media. People in the insider tea, other subscribers of mine have had to send me posts. They were posting things in their IG stories. When I pre-ordered in April, I had the understanding that my product would go out in June. At the very last minute, a day or 2 before it's supposed to go out, I get an email saying that because of extenuating circumstances with the supply chain, blah, 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 it's gonna be pushed to July. July comes, no update, nothing. August 1st comes, I'm told mid-August, the latest, the end of August.
I've learned my lesson. I'm not gonna overpromise, okay?
I find out via social media that's sent to me by someone in the insider tea by multiple of my subscribers that Melanin Haircare says everything is gonna go out by the end of September. Today is October 1st, y'all. There's no shipping notification. There's no additional update.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
This is a textbook definition of over-promising and underperforming. Whitney is proud that she's able to be distributed and to be in major retailers.
But at the end of the day, we are still a small business. We still have only 8 employees.
But hire more people. Hire more people. Invest in people. Invest in people that can fill in the gaps where you lack your expertise. At the end of the day, Whitney has to operate like a boss. You are a business. I am a customer. You have to communicate with me. You can't break down and hide when things get tough. That's not a boss, and it's embarrassing. My issue with this pre-order was a lack of professionalism, a lack of true transparency. My issue with this pre-order is that in June, Whitney and her team knew that there were delays, knew that we would not get our products in time. Yet, the pre-order stayed open, as far as I know, until July, maybe even August. With all the issues that you claim are going on and all of the setbacks, why would you keep the pre-order open? Yes, you want people to get the products and try the products, but at the end of the day, was it worth it? To sum up my thoughts about all of this, Whitney may have done her best, but her best in this case, unfortunately, was not good enough. I guess I just need Whitney to stop playing with people's money, people's time, people's energy, and just do better. Honestly, do better. I'm an influencer. I'm a champion for Black women and Black-owned brands. I'm also a customer. And as a customer, this on it. And will never be it.
You're going to love it, and once you receive it, you're going to see that it really was worth the wait.
All right, Stink. Let's see if this deep conditioner was worth the wait. This is the Melanin Haircare Plumping Deep Conditioner with hyaluronic acid, biotin, fenugreek, pumpkin, and bamboo. It's supposed to silken and strengthen the hair, like in true Melanin Haircare fashion. There's no sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, formaldehydes, phthalates, nothing like that. This is what it looks like. This is 16 ounces and it retails for $32. I've heard some people say this is really expensive, but honestly, it's no more expensive than any other natural hair product. Traditionally, natural hair products are about $16 to $20 for 8 ounces. So this is really on par with other natural hair products. In some cases, it's much more affordable than some natural hair products, like the more upper echelon brands like Briogeo. So I don't think this is super expensive. I think it's on par with the market. Now, whether or not you can afford $32 for 16 ounces, that's another consideration, but the price itself is not bad for me. It's just, does it work though? Is she good or not? According to Whitney, it's supposed to give instant hydration and sleek results. It's supposed to moisturize, instantly plump and clump your curls, coils, and waves, helping to restore hair's elasticity and detangle knots for smooth, manageable, shiny, sleek results. It has a bunch of ingredients, but they're all very yummy. I will leave the ingredients down below because I know most of y'all don't care, but it does have hydrolyzed pea protein and hydrolyzed vegetable protein as the 11th or 12th ingredient or so. Let's smell it. It definitely smells like bush. If you've been around, it smells like bush. It smells like bush. I think it's the geranium and the bergamot. Yeah, that's the scent that's coming through with this. Anyway, y'all, enough long talking. Let's get into applying her. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair that has been air drying in my t-shirt towel for a little bit over an hour. Before any of you come in my comment section talking about apply it on soaking wet hair, the folks at Melanin Haircare did say you could apply it on dry hair. So my hair necessarily dry, but it's going to be damp. That is just what works for me. The consistency is actually looser than I thought. Like, I can pour this out. Whoop. No, baby. Put that back in the jar. It has a looser consistency, which I'm a fan of. I can't stand a thick DC. First things first, I'm gonna go in with oil. I always do that. That is what works best for me. I like putting oil at my scalp and just bringing it down a little bit. And this oil is so good. For all the details on the products that I'm using, what I use for my wash day, will be linked down below per usual. I'm gonna go in with this much. I love the consistency. I love the consistency because it's nice and loose. Let's see what the slip is like. The slip is not bad. It's not amazing slip, but she gonna get the job done. And in terms of how my hair feels, it feels balanced. It doesn't feel super soft or hydrating. Y'all see that growth? Y'all see that? Yeah. Yeah. Whitney promises instant hydration and sleek results. No, definitely not instant hydration. My hair definitely doesn't feel sleek. It feels kind of rough to the touch, like I'm applying like a light protein treatment. All right, y'all, let's wrap this up and talk about my thoughts about this deep conditioner. It does have some slip, but it's not amazing slip, but I don't depend on my deep conditioner to necessarily have amazing slip. That's why I pre-poo my hair. I would say based on slip, I would give it a 3 out of 5. Scent, honestly, I would give it like a 2 out of 5, a 1 out of 5. I personally don't like the scent. I don't like the geranium bergamot scent. I don't hate it. Like, I rinse it out and you can't smell it in your hair anymore after you style it. So it's not a bad thing, you know what I mean? This is the kind of product for me where it kind of sneaks up on you, because when I first applied it, I was like, I don't know about this. I don't really know about this. But once I actually applied heat, I went under my steamer for 20 minutes. And when I rinsed out my hair, y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, my hair felt so soft. My hair still feels so soft. Even going in with a gel only wash and go, my hair feels soft, y'all. Like, my hair feels super soft. So in terms of the softness, I would give it a 4 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5. I think my hair feels super duper soft. In terms of strength, I don't really feel the strengtheningness of it once I rinse it out, but I also have hair that likes protein, that likes strength, so maybe your hair will react differently to it. It definitely feels strengthening or like a protein treatment on applying it, but once you actually rinse it out, then the moisture and hydration that's promised definitely comes through, so I do like that. I prefer deep conditioners that feel instantly soft on application. That's my preference. You know, I've been doing this for a long time, so my standards are a bit different. But once you apply heat with this, then she really shines. So I would give this a 7 out of 10. A solid 7. This is definitely, for me personally, the best product in the Melanin Hair Care line. This is definitely a product I personally would recommend. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. It's not a staple for me, but I still recommend it, especially if you want to support Whitney and you weren't sure about it. This is the best product in the Melanin Hair Care line so far, in my opinion. And I love the packaging. The packaging is just so cute to me. Melanin Hair Care packaging is just always top tier, always so cute, always well done. Even though this pre-order was the worst pre-order in natural hair history, the product is good. Was it worth the wait? No. No. Nothing will ever be worth waiting 5-6 months for a product. I'm sorry. I'm just beyond that point in my natural hair journey. For water and BTMS, I am not waiting 5 or 6 months. It was definitely not worth the wait. And Whitney even saying or insinuating that it would be is a joke to me, because people shouldn't have to wait 5-6 months for water and BTMS. That's just ludicrous. I'm surprised. I didn't expect to like this as much as I did, but I'm glad I gave it a chance. I'm glad I gave it a fair shot because I'm happy with it. I'm happy with my experience. So that's it, y'all, for that. If you got to the end of this video, you're in for a treat, y'all. I will be giving away one of these deep conditioners as well as the Melanin Hair Care Extra Large Mirror whenever it comes. Whenever my pre-order comes, I will mail it out to the winner, and I promise to mail it out before Christmas, okay? I'm not gonna Whitney y'all, okay? I'm going to send it out as soon as I select a winner. This giveaway will go on for about 2 weeks or so. All you have to do is be a subscriber. You have to be subscribed. Now, come on. You gotta be subscribed. 2, you have to leave a comment. You can leave any comments you want. It doesn't really matter. You also need to fill out the link in the description box. I will leave a form in the description box where you have to fill it out with your information so I can send you your things and email you if you win. Best of luck to you, whoever wins. Good luck to y'all, and definitely check it out, especially if you want to support Whitney. Definitely recommend that you hit up Ulta and Sephora and get you yours. Anyway, y'all, that's it for now. Oh yeah, and now that you know I like it, click a link and save a life. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.